Sai Ram children. Today we are going to do revision for Essay 1 Part 2. It carries 40 marks. The portion for Essay 1 lesson number 6, 7 and 8. This revision will help you to prepare your exam. So watch this carefully. Do practice at home and learn. Now let us start. Number 1. Fill in the blank. When we are ill, we go to dash. Options: A. Fire station, B. Hospital, C. Post office, D. Bank. When we are ill, we go to, yes, correct, hospital. Number 2. Trees have dash stems. A. Weak, B. Soft, C. Hard and D. Blue. Which one is correct? Trees have dash stems. Trees have hard stems. Trees have hard stems. Number 3. On Eid, special prayers are offered at the dash. A. Mosque, B. Church, C. Temple, D. Gurudwara. On Eid, special prayers are offered at the dash. Which is the correct answer? Church, temple, Gurudwara? No. Then mosque. The correct answer. India became free from British rule on 15th August. Options: 1949, 1948, 1947, 1946. Question: India became free from British rule on 15th August 1947. The correct answer is 1947. Number 5. Dash is known as the festival of the Gurus. A. Guru Parab, B. Christmas, C. Eid, D. Diwali. Dash is known as the festival of the Gurus. Correct answer: Guru Parab. Correct answer is Guru Parab. Guru Parab is known as the festival of the Gurus. Number 2. Choose the right answer. Where do Christians go and offer special prayers on Christmas? A. Church, B. Temple, C. Mosque, D. Gurudwara. Where do Christians go and offer special prayers on Christmas? The correct answer is church. The correct answer is church. Number 7. What do you call a small plant with hard woody stem? What do you call a small plant with hard woody stem? A. Herb, B. Shrub, C. Tree, D. Climber. Which one is correct? Is it herb? No. Is it shrub? Yes. The correct answer is shrub. What do you call the people who live near our homes? A. Neighbors, B. Neighborhood, C. Friends, D. Relatives. What do you call the people who live near our homes? Is it your friends, relatives, neighborhood? No. Then the correct answer is yes, neighbors. The correct answer is neighbors. Number 9. Which part of the plant grows into a fruit? A. Leaf. B. Flower. C. Root. D. Stem. Which part of the plant grows into a fruit? Let us see. Is it leaf? Leaf grows into a fruit? No. Root? No. Then, is it stem? That is also not correct. Then which is the correct answer? Yes, flower. Flower grows into a fruit. Flower. Okay. State whether true or false. The police keep our neighborhood safe from thieves and robbers. Is it correct? They keep our neighborhood safe from thieves and robbers? Yes or no? Yes. Then what is this? True or false? It is true. Number 11. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 26 January. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 26 January? No. Then which day? Yes, 2nd October. Correct answer is 2nd October. So this sentence is correct. No, this is false. Herbs are used in medicines. Number 12. Herbs are used in medicines. True? False? Herbs are used in medicines is a correct sentence? Yes, it is correct. So it is true. We burst crackers in Diwali. Yes? Yeah, no? Yes. So it is also true. These two sentences, herbs are used in medicines, also true. We burst crackers in Diwali is also true. Number 14. We celebrate festivals with our family and friends. We celebrate festivals with our family and friends. Yes or no? We all celebrate festivals with our family and friends. Yes. So this also correct. True. This is true. Number 4. Fill in the missing letters by looking at the hints given in the bracket. You have to find out the correct missing letters. Teacher is given 4 options. From that you have to choose the correct one. Let us see. In the bracket, a big place with plants and trees where people enjoy fresh air. It's a big place with plants and trees where people enjoy fresh air and we play and exercise there also. Which place is that? It's a park. It's a park. Park spelling do you know, children? P-A-R-K. Park. P-A-R-K. Teacher is given P. 3 letters are missing from this. So we have to see the options. First, A-O-R-K. B, E-R-K. C, A-R-K. D, O-E-K. Now tell me which is the correct answer here. Park spelling you know na? Then see that options. There. Correct. A-R-K. P-A-R-K. A-R-K is the correct answer. B dash dash dash. A place where money can be kept. Which place we can keep money and jewelry? Yes, bank. We can keep money and jewelry in the bank. So, what is bank spelling? B A N K. B A N K. The options are A E N K, B A N K, C O N K, D B N K. So, which is the correct one here? B. After B, A, and after A, N, after N, K. So, the correct option is A N K, bank. B A N K, bank. Okay. Now, number 17. A place where thieves are taken. A place where thieves are taken and a place where police works. Which place it is? Yes, it is police station. You know the answer? The spelling you know? Police station. Let us see. P-O. Then next letter is L. P-O-L-I-C-E-S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Police station. P-O-L-I-C-E. It is given. And next one is blank. What is there? Which letter will come? S. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Let us see the options. A. L-E-S. B. L-A-S. C. L-I-E. L-I-S. D. L-U-S. So, once again we will see the spelling. P-O. After that what will come? L. Then I. Police. P-O-L-I-C-E. Next is S. And which option is correct here now? L-I-S. Police station. L-I-S. Next. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. What is that? Birthday of Mahatma Gandhi is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti. Now let us see the spelling. Options are A. A-N-A-N, B. E-N-A-N, C. I-E-A-N, D. H-I-A-G. Now we will see the spelling. Gandhi Jayanti. G is given. After that what will come? Which letter will come? A. Then N. D-H-I is given. Gandhi. G-A-N. D-H-I. Then J is given. Next letter A. Then Y-A-T-I. After Y-A, which letter will come? N. So, Gandhi, G-A-N-D-H-I, Jayanti, J-A-Y-A-N-T-I, Gandhi Jayanti. So, which is the correct option? A-N-A-N. Okay, children? Learn the spellings. You can do this nicely. Then only you can do this. Learn the spelling. Number 5. Find the odd one. It is given fruits, vegetables, medicine, electricity. We get fruits from plants and vegetables also from plants And medicine also we get from plants. But electricity, we get electricity from plants? No. So which is the odd one here? Yes, electricity. Now number 20, 15th August, 26th January, 2nd October, 14th February. What is this 15 August, 26 January and 2nd October? They all are our national days. They all national days. 15th August is Independence Day, 26 January Republic Day, 2nd October Gandhi Jayanti. 14 February is a national day? No. So which one is here odd one? Yes, 14 February. Number 21. Bank, money, jewellery and medicine. Bank, money, jewellery. We can keep money and jewellery in the bank. But medicine? No. So, which is the odd one? Yes, medicine. Medicine is the odd one. Okay, children? Now, number 22. Church, mosque, Gurudwara, market. What is these three? Church, mosque and Gurudwara? They are places of worship. Christians go to church and Muslims go to mosque and Sikh Gurus go to Gurudwara. So these three are places of worship. Market is not a place of worship. So this one market is odd one out. Okay, children? Now next. Answer the following questions. This is the exact pattern for your Essay 1 exam. So please practice this. Here it is given, when is Republic Day celebrated? Answer. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year. B. Republic Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. C. Republic Day is celebrated on 2nd October every year. Now, D. Republic Day is celebrated on 14th January every year. Now tell me, which is the correct answer? Is it 15th August? Is it 2nd October? Is it 14th January? Is it 26th January? Which one is correct? When is Republic Day celebrated? Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. Okay, children? Now, next one. Which festival is known as the Festival of Gurus? A. Christmas is known as the Festival of Gurus. B. Eid is known as the Festival of Gurus. C. Guru Parab is known as the Festival of Gurus. D. Diwali is known as the Festival of Gurus. Yes? Tell me the correct answer. Is it Eid? No. Diwali? No. Christmas? No. Then which one? Yes, Guru Parab is known as the Festival of Gurus. The correct answer is Guru Parab is known as the Festival of Gurus. Okay? Number 25. Why are the leaves of a plant important? Why are the leaves of a plant important? The leaves of a plant are important because they prepare food for the plant. B. The leaves of a plant are important because they prepare water for the plant. C. The leaves of a plant are important because they prepare clothes for the plant. D. The leaves of a plant are important because they prepare soil for the plant. There are 4 options. You have to choose the correct one. The question is, why are the leaves of a plant important? The leaves make food for the plant. The leaves make food for the plant. So the correct answer is, the leaves of a plant are important because they prepare food for the plant. This is the correct answer. Number 26. Where would you go when you are hurt or ill? Where would you go when you are hurt or ill? A. I would go to the nearest post office when I am hurt or ill. B. I would go to the nearest hospital when I am hurt or ill. C. I would go to the nearest bank when I am hurt or ill. D. I would go to the nearest market when I am hurt or ill. 4 options are there. You have to find the correct one. Where would you go when you are hurt or ill? Where? Yes, I would go to the nearest hospital when I am hurt or ill. The correct answer is, I would go to the nearest hospital when I am hurt or ill. Now, the next one, 27. Who are firefighters? Who are firefighters? Options are A. People who put out fires are called firefighters. B. People who sell vegetables are called firefighters. C. People who give medicine are called firefighters. D. People who exercise in the park are called firefighters. Now tell me, which one is correct? Who are firefighters? Yes, people who put out fires are called firefighters. The correct answer is, people who put out fires are called firefighters. Number 7. Identify the group. Watermelon, pumpkin. Options are creepers, climbers, herbs, trees. A. Creepers, B. Climbers, C. Herbs and D. Trees. Watermelon and pumpkin. They are coming under which group? Is trees, herbs, climbers or creepers? They are creepers. They have very weak stem. So, they are creepers. Number 29. Beans, money plant and pea. A. Climbers, B. Creepers, C. Shrubs, D. Herbs. Beans, money plant and pea are, is it shrubs? No. Herbs? No. They are creepers? No. They are climbers. Beans, money plant and pea are climbers. They also have weak stem, but they need support to stand. Okay, children. So, we have finished with our revision also. Children, this revision will help you to prepare your exam. So, watch this video carefully to practice at home and learn. Okay, children. All the best for your exam. Bye. See you next video with your next video.